Section 3.5, question 12. Let's take a quick look at this problem. Ignore the answer there. We'll try to work this out. It says that the population of Americans age 55 and older as a percentage of the total population is approximated by the function f of t equals 10.72 times 0.9t plus 10 raised to 0.3, where t is between 0 and 20. T is measured in years. T equals 0 corresponds to the year 2000. Compute f double prime at 12 and round your answer to 3 decimal places. Okay, we're going to switch to my paperwork here. So this is what I wrote down. To find the second derivative, we need to find the first derivative, so f prime at t. Now notice that this constant multiplied is not going to require a product rule because it's just a constant. If there had been a variable here, then you would use a product rule. Okay, so in this case, just bring the 10.72 down and just focus on this bit. So we need to use the chain rule here because you have an outer function and an inner function. So we're going to bring that 0.3 down and then keep the inside as it is, raised to the power 0.3 minus 1, that's negative 0.7. And then the chain rule kicks in. You go inside, take the derivative of the inside, you just get 0.9. Now you could multiply all these to clean it up, but then you'll get a long string of decimal values, and that's kind of a pain to write. So we'll just leave it this way for now. Just understand these are all constants. So when I go to take the second derivative, these aren't going to require product rule. Instead, I'm going to bring this power down again. So I'll have 10.72 times 0.3 times the negative 0.7, and then this, which is 0.9t plus 10 raised to negative 0.7 minus 1, that's negative 1.7. This 0.9 was there from before, from this, and then you get another 0.9 from the chain rule again. So this is a tricky part. Okay, I'll put a little star to catch your attention. That's an easy one to miss. Next, I need to plug in 12 for t, so f double prime at 12, and I'm going to stick that into my calculator, and this is what I get. So 10.72 times 0.3 times negative 0.7, and then 0.9 times 12 plus 10, the whole thing is negative 1.7, and then this 0.9, I just typed it in as squared. And I'm getting negative 0.010475.9, etc. to 3 decimal places that would just stop there. And this is the answer that you saw that I had typed in earlier. The interpretation for this, as you can see, this value is negative. So in 12 years from 2000, because we're starting in the year 2000, so in the year 2012, there was an ever so slight decrease in the growth, okay, of the population of Americans. Okay, so the population is increasing, but the rate of change of increasing, that part is declining, so it's slowing down. Okay, so it's the population of Americans, let me just write this fast, aged 55 and up, as a percentage of the total population, the whole U.S., is slowing down ever so slightly. Slowing, if I can type, slightly. Okay, so as a percentage, and up is what I meant there, as a percentage of the total population, or the increase, because it's actually growing, but the increase of that part is slowing down slightly. Okay, so hope that helps. Stop that.